Hello guys, welcome back to TechDose, and in this video we will see the pattern matching problem, which is from dynamic programming, and this is a variation of the longest common subsequence problem. So the prerequisite before solving this problem is to know about the LCS problem. The link for that video will be present in the description below. You can go and watch that. Now in this problem we are given a pattern. Let us say in this case we are given AAB and we are given a string. So we want to find if this pattern exists in our given string as a subsequence. So this entire pattern should be present in our string as a subsequence. So all the characters of P should be present as a subsequence in S. So in this case, if you see, you can insert any number of characters here. You can insert any number of characters in between these two characters, in between A and B as well, and after B as well. This is what subsequence means. So in this case, if you look at string S, then you have A, B, right? And there are two characters, two B's between two A's, and there is a B after this B. So this is one subsequence which will entirely cover this string P. There is another subsequence as well, like if you cover this A and this B. So since there is at least one subsequence in S which is containing all the characters of P in a sequence, that is in this increasing order. In a sequence, order is also important. This all characters should be present from left to right. So this order of characters is present as a subsequence in S. Therefore, we will be returning true, saying that this pattern P is present in S as a subsequence. If you look at this P, then here you have the string as AAB. And if you look at this S, which is our given string, then we need to find if P occurs as a subsequence in S. So you can match this A with this A. You can match this A with this A. But then you cannot match this B with all these B's, because in a sequence order is also important. So B should come after A. But if you take two A's in S, this is the first A, this is the second A, then there is no B. There is no character at all on the right hand side. There should be at least one B to cover this P. So this P is not present as a subsequence in S. Therefore, in this case, we will be returning false. So our goal in this case is find if P occurs as a subsequence in S. Okay. So I hope you understood this entire problem. This is a very simple problem if you already know about the longest common subsequence. So how do we solve it? Now in this case, there is just one simple observation. Like if you are taking the LCS between, let's say, string 1 and string 2, then what it will give you as an output? It will give you the longest common subsequence between these two strings, right? Now how is this problem similar to this LCS? Okay, so in this problem basically we want to find a subsequence in S which is exactly the same as this P. Okay, so if you take LCS between the string P and string S, then it should cover this entire string P. So the LCS of P comma S should come out to be equals to P. If this is true, then we will be returning true, saying that this string P is entirely present as a subsequence in S. Otherwise, if this is not true, then we will be returning false. Okay, so I hope you were able to understand this. So this is a simple observation. If you can observe it, then you can solve it very easily. If the LCS of string P comma S is equals to P, then we will be returning true, otherwise we will return false. So you can watch the entire video on LCS, and I have also covered some of the variants on LCS. You can watch all those videos. It will give you the intuition for solving this problem. So the time complexity for this problem will be order of n square, which is the same as your LCS problem. Okay, so this was a very simple problem, but this is a variation of LCS, that is why I covered it. If you have any problem, then do comment below and I'll try to help you as soon as possible. Like and share our video and subscribe to our channel in order to watch more of these programming videos. See you in our next video. Thank you.